we're out here at Raffles Garage. Today we're swapping off this Fender and probably fixing that side skirt real quick and get it ready for sale. That's all it needs, that suspension and alignment. Everything else is fixed. So there it is. You got a bolt right here, one from the inside, one from the outside. This one's a little bent. There's one right here, another one right here, another one right here. The headlight has to come off if you have all the bolts, which is fairly easy. The only reason why is because you have a bolt coming this way. This one that comes this way. You got two from here, two nuts, and I believe one right here and the other one from the headlight. This one doesn't have it, but yeah. There it is. Now I just gotta fix this real quick. Well, should I sell it with stock or fake TRD? The gap is right here because I'm still missing that clip that goes here, but other than that, it should line up. This has a big gap because it has no screw right here, but it's not that bad.